These Go Zero, no matter what power stations they are outrageous. $1,700 for that one right there, $549 for this one right here, and $300 for the small one with 2 USBs, 2 Type C's, and 1 adapter. Now with the battery that I garbage picked, I'm showing you, I'm making one of these. This is $550. I'm making this with a garbage picked bike battery. Stay tuned. So this is the bike that I garbage picked right here. I tried getting it working, but the hub was just too far gone. So I took the battery out of it. This is the battery pack right here. What I found out also was, okay, this one wasn't plugged in. This is what was being used to charge, and this wasn't connected, so it wasn't getting any charge. This was broken off on the inside. This is what's used to discharge the battery, and the motor that this had right here, I actually took the motor apart, believe it or not. I took the copper out. This was the motor right here. It was a 200 watt motor. So like that Go Power Plus thingy, I picked this one up at Walmart on clearance for $50. This is only a 100 amp outlet, so it could just plug stuff at that uses like a 100 watt outlet. Only a 100 watt outlet right here, but it got all the USBs and everything. But this has input. It comes with its own charger for 15 volts. No, 15 volts input. The solar input right here. You got 12 volt output, so you could also do 12 volt output if you need, but it's a 15 volt solar input with the adapter, or you can use a sunray adapter, solar adapter. But this is the battery that I took out of the bike. Okay, this battery is bigger and heavier than that $300 Go Power Plus. Now what am I gonna do with that? I have these ammo cans right here, and I'm going to put it in an ammo can, and I'm going to show you the connections right now. I'm going to Photoshop you and show you the connections. This battery is a $150 battery, 36 volt, 6 amp hours, 216 watt hours. Now I charged it. I topped it off right here. It's 36 volts. It can max out at 42 volts. I have a benchtop charger, so I got the clips on it. With this right here, I could charge up to 60 volts, and I could control how much amps I put into it, because I charge sometimes 48 volt batteries. I could put them up to 52 volts, but I normally charge a slow charge with 2 amps, but I could charge up to 10 amps with this. So with this garbage picked e-bike right here, I got this $150 battery right here that I'm going to turn into one of these with ammo packs. Okay, this is a DC to DC step down inverter, so it'll take this 36 volt blue battery down to 12 volts, and it's 20 amps, 240 watts. Although the motor it was run off this was only a 200 watt motor, this is a 240 watt one. I'll have to look for a 200 watt one. This is the plug to turn it into a car. So this goes from the output of this inverter, and now it turns this 12 volt into a cigarette lighter outlet, which is pretty awesome, because now I could plug this piece into it, which changes this 12 volts into 200 watt plugs like regular outlet plugs, or I could do your USB or lights or whatever you want from this converter right here. I really do like this converter right here. Now this, if you have to charge it and want to charge it, this is for $3. This is the plug that you could charge this battery pack with on the go. I have my benchtop charger, but if I paid this $3, I could actually charge this on the go, because all you buy is this scooter charger right here, and this port and this charger actually came with the original scooter, which I do not have. So total of, if I could invest $46, this battery pack will give me more power than that $300 Go Power Plus, probably well over double the power. So keep an eye out if you see people throwing away electric stuff now. These lithium batteries are very expensive.